Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous session we learned how to create the riser, refrigerant riser. As we can see here, we created all 8 riser of our all indoor units. Okay, now we will place our outdoor unit anywhere on the roof, and we will connect this riser to our outdoor unit. So let's start without delay. Okay, so before placing our outdoor unit, we have to create one equipment base. Okay, so let's create. We will create from the scratch and place here. So before creating the family of equipment base, we will select new family, and we will select here the categories, that what type of family we are going to create. Either you can select any one and later you can change, or better to create this template. This is template already. Okay, so for what purpose I am going to create our base for mechanical equipment, so better to select mechanical equipment base. Okay, check here, is there any metric mechanical equipment. Okay, this is wall base and this is ceiling base, so I am taking this equipment base simply. And here it is. See, the two simple reference plane is here. Okay, the quite difference here to see reference line. Here it is reference line. This is reference line. Okay, 2 dot is showing. Okay, and reference plane, this is plane and this is line, so don't be confused in both. Okay, in reference line have 6 dimension, and you can check the differences and endless both side. Okay, and this is the continuous line, and the reference plane is like this. Okay, so this is the one I have to create the family. So what I will do, just create a reference plane. Okay, and you can randomly check this one, make the reference plane. Okay, like this, and after that what I will do, I have to give the dimension, make this equal first, so that both side will be equal with the reference of origin. This is origin line, and click equal. So now both side is equal, and now I have to give the dimension, this one. Okay, so select this dimension. I want to change this one every time. Okay, as our requirement, so I have to give the label here, label. Click family parameter. Okay, share parameter you can take as per your project requirement, because if you want to use in multiple project and appear in schedule and tags, you want this length in a schedule and tag, then you can select the share parameter and you can create. The family parameter will not appear in a schedule or tag, so I need this one parameter. Okay, what the parameter, this is base length, right? Base length, instance, yes, I want to change here, so I will select the instant and okay, this is base length. Now similarly I will do this side. Here I will first make equal, then I will give the dimension, level and base width, right? Instance also, okay. Here no need to change anything, it will be common, length, dimension, okay. These two things is very simple, we can do. Okay, now I have to create our base, so it is like this. We can select the rectangular and here, this is here and from here, right? And this all four one I want to lock. Why? Because I want that when reference plane will move either and either, then our object, this geometry should move according to the plane. So I want to lock this one, so click lock, lock, lock and lock, that's it. Okay, you want to change the depth, you can change here, no issue, but later I will give the dimension. This here it is, okay. So I give only 2 dimension. Also in base we required also the thickness or height, you can say. So I have to give the dimension also for the height. So how we will give? We have to come on the elevation, any elevation. I want to come a front, and here you can keep. Okay, select any reference plane, create similar, come here, okay, and give the dimension with reference and give the level of height. Which one height? Base height. So base height, okay. Now you can lock with this reference and check in 3D then it's working or not. Here it is, here, so check. Oh, this a base height I write, so I will make the edit parameter base height, base height, okay. Base height I want to keep 100 and width suppose 1000 and length 2000. It's working or not? Yes, it's working, fine. So you can use this base to place our equipment, but see, I will place this equipment. I want that 200 offset should be all side always, and it should be fixed. To suppose I place our equipment here, then 200 space will be here will be a space to for maintenance guy to keep their tools on this one and make the maintenance, okay. So you can do also, this is not mandatory, but you can do, it will be very easy while doing the maintenance. So come here, create this one, select this, okay, and offset you can make how much? 200 all side I want, and select this and come here, see. So this is 200 all side, right, like this, what I want to fix this all side. Okay, so select this one, select this reference line, not with geometry, remember. Okay, and fix. This is all side with reference. Okay, with reference plane, and I want to give the label of all side, offset, give the label offset. Okay, you can do either type or instance. I want to leave it and type because I don't want to change this offset, it will be fixed all the time. So here, okay, also I want to lock this so that it will be fixed always. Okay, I lock this dimension and make it okay. See, you can adjust so that it will looks beautiful. Okay, here it is and here it is. See, but this two both is separate and it's look both separate. Okay, what I want to do, I don't want to see this actual our dimension or actual geometry. I want to see this one. Okay, so that when I will change this base, so our equipment will be fixed like this and 200 dimension will always will be free. So what I will do, I will select this one and make visible. So I don't want to visible this one, that's it. What about this one? Yes, it should be visible. Now I create this one and we can save this as per your location. I want to save here. Okay, outdoor, here we can save what? Equipment base, but before that one also I want to create the material here. If you want to change this material always, then you can associate family parameter, and if you don't want, then you can assign from here. Okay, this is default, so yes, of course, right click, duplicate, and base material. Okay, base, yes, base, and select. Now select, also select this one and material, base, yes, base, and then you can save. Where is the location? The library, yes, and here equipment base. Yes, now load into project and you can keep anywhere, rotate, yes, see here, and you can change also the dimension from here, height, width, all the things, and our actual base is not showing here, and this 201 is always showing. See how here base width is 1000, okay, but it will be 1400. See why? Because 200 and 200 both side is the offset. Okay, so that clearance will be okay for our equipment. Okay, now we can also place our outdoor unit. Load into project. Let's check it is load equipment, mechanical equipment base only. So I have to load. You can load here, insert, load. You can download this one, no issue. So I want to load only one. Okay, it's updating. So see, I load and place our equipment here. It is also clearance is given as per our outdoor unit, so we can adjust like this also. Like this. Okay, we can adjust and select this one. Okay, so what is our equipment width? Keep it 14 here, 16. Okay, some standard so that to creating it will be good. Okay, fine. You can select like this, check in 3D. See, okay. Also you can turn off this clearance here, clearance visibility you can turn off. Now you can see easily. Okay, but it is inside, so just come on the front elevation and you can give it yes, and you can adjust. Okay, now fix. See, also you can check from right side, it is perfectly fit on our equipment base here. Now we can create our pipe and connect in the riser. Okay, so one for retail shop and other one for we can create similarly, copy and paste for common areas. Okay, if you want to make some change, okay, fine, and 2 for first floor. Okay, like this. And we can, let's see in 3D here, we and change here the mechanical to coordination and see. Fine. Here is the equipment base, this one, and we place our equipment on the base, right? And here, let's see, and here is our riser, all riser. Okay, so we can connect our riser to this one. So I hope you understand something from this video. If you understand and learn some skill, then please subscribe and share with others. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below. Okay, see, this family you can download from the internet free of cost, and you can do practice. Okay, so assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.